Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. 138 Student Living today released financials showing losses amounting to $19 million for the 12-month period to the end of September. That measured against profits of $70 million over the same period a year ago. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.37. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $95.21. The pound is going for $161.40, while the euro costs $145.24. Oil fell 3% on Monday, echoing weakness in global stock markets as the focus returned to demand growth concerns. Now, U.S. crude ended Monday's session down $1.61 to settle at $51 a barrel. The drop eased the gains made on Friday following an OPEC-led decision to cut output. Investors taking profit on gains throughout the year combined to push the JSE index down more than 1,204 points, while the junior market index lost 30. Stocks posting gains today included AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Elite Diagnostic, Fosrich, Jetcon, Mayberry Investments, Scotia Group, and Wisynco Group. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Derrimon Trading, Jamaica Producers, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, Seprod, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.